Merry Christmas, love.
Thank you, darling.
I hope you like your pizza.
Picture?
Yes, it's a hint. Open your present.
Oh, this is my present.
It's your Christmas present, love.
So how good is that? I just casing, but I don't have a something like it.
I didn't know this one will fit this camera.
Huh?
This will fit this phone.
No, that's awful.
And I got you a nice screen.
Ah.
Yes, new screen thing.
Screen protector.
Yeah.
Wow. My memory card.
Yes. There's a big. Oh, what's that? A brick.
Oh, wow. I can't say what it is.
That's a brick, love.
Hello, I think it's a telephone.
No, it's a.
Oh, I see something here.
What do you say? Nothing.
Oh, 100 gigabytes. Maybe this is the one that I really like or love.
The one you've been talking about.
Wow, so cool. Oh, there's a policeman there.
Yeah? Oh, they're checking on everyone. Making sure everyone's being good.
I'm so thank you, my darling.
That's alright, darling. It's good, I love you very much.
This is the one that
Because I love you very
I
much.
think I can afford
You
it.
work very hard.
I think I can afford it.
But I got it for you.
Why? I have money.
Yes. Doesn't matter about money. I love you.
Let's say it and then. Oh. Thank you. I'm speechless. It's a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, love.
So, guys, binigyan niya ako ng ganito kasi hindi na siya makapaghanap ng iba pa katulad ko kasi I'm the good girl. She said I'm a good girl.
You're a good girl.
Thank you. Merry Christmas. Ano guys, yung gift ng asawa ko para for me. So, thank you, Bobby. So, yan. Kissing. Screen protector, black screen protector, screen arm to protect the phone, and then memory card. Hindi ako ng memory card, guys. Memory card. So, open na natin to. Sweet ng asawa ko. Ay, there you go. So, yan ang Samsung unbox. So, black siya, guys. Black. Samsung. Tsaka charger. Ayan na guys, ito na yung phone. Then charger. Tsaka, ito yung wire sa charger. Wire. At saka, ito yung headset. Headset, guys. Wow. Super fast charging. Oh, thank you. This is our Christmas dinner. So, kain tayo. Simple lang. Ito ang Pasko sa Australia. Quiet simple Christmas dinner. We and my banana. So, that's two. That one steak with a drink. And then, so, Merry Christmas.